Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to get verified on Facebook or how to acquire that verification badge on Facebook, okay? So first thing first, of course, please fire up your Facebook. If you want to use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, as in what I'm using right now, Microsoft Edge. If you want to use Safari and what they call that other thing, Opera, it's perfectly fine. Even Mozilla Firefox, even though I'm not sure if it's there anymore. As long as, of course, you're connected to the internet, okay? So from here now, I want you to go to settings. So again, if you're using your phone, a mobile application for Facebook, this is the same process, okay? So just go to settings right here and then look for account center. Click on see more accounts in center. And this should be your landing page. So even on phone mobile application, it's gonna be exactly the same. So this is gonna be your account center landing page and click on Meta Verified. And once you click on Meta Verified, you're gonna see manage your subscriptions to Meta Verified on Facebook and Instagram. So as you can see here, you're gonna see your Facebook and Instagram accounts right here. You're gonna see if they're eligible for Meta verification. And as you can see here, only one is eligible on my end. Now, how will we know if it's eligible or not? Meta Verified is only available for select profile. You can click here and I'll discuss it a little bit more later, okay? So with that being said, click on the one accounts that you want to check to get verified. And from here, you can see that what is the perks, what are the features. First and foremost, a verified badge. Your audience can trust that you're a real person sharing your real stories. Increase account protection, support when you did it, unique stickers. Moreover, if you click on subscribe right here, you're gonna pay 420 pesos a month, and I think that's gonna be $19 or $14 every month, roughly an estimate. So with that, you can pay and you can cancel your subscription anytime up to 24 hours before renews. And by the way, for this one, if you were unable to confirm your identity, we'll refund your payment. Refunds can take up to 60 days. I think for this one, there is no free trial. So again, this is how you set it up. You just need to pay for this. And let's just real quickly browse through the eligibility. So first things first, you need to be at least 18 years old, have a public profile or private that's associated with your full name, aligns with the naming standards, and so on and so forth. Have a two-factor authenticator enabled, meet minimum activity requirements. For example, you're being active on Facebook, have a government-issued ID, and so on and so forth. Those are just the main requirements that you can use or you need to have before applying for Meta verification. So it doesn't mean if you paid, you're eligible. No. You need to verify, you need to acquire those requirements properly, okay? And that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. Have a safe one.